Okay, we are going to be moving to level 2 number problems. So this is problem 15 in level 2. And the problem reads, when the opposite of a number is added to twice the number, a sum of 9 is obtained. What is the number? So, again, the first thing we always do is we decide what x represents in the problem. Who can look at this problem and tell me what x represents? The number. Very good. But now we're in level 2, and we also have to know what star represents. Star always represents the same thing. What is it that star always represents? You could say it's not the number. No, not really the number. Exactly. It is the exact opposite of whatever x is. So if x is the number, then star is what? The opposite of the number. So on your paper, please write that x is the number and star is the opposite of the number. Okay, x is the number and star is the opposite of the number. The next thing we do is we look and we see if we can find words in the question that help us know what two things are equal. So let's read this question and see if you can find words that help us understand what two things are equal. Yes. Is. It's actually is obtained. Is obtained. What does that mean when I say it is obtained? When you obtain something, what does that mean?
You're like holding it.
It's yours. You get it, right? Whatever it is, if I obtain good grades, I get good grades. If I obtain a new shirt, it means I get a new shirt. So when I look at this problem, just reading the words, what is going to equal what in this problem? What am I going to be doing on one side of my equation?
You're going to add to twice the number.
Yes, I'm going to add the opposite of a number to twice a number. What's going to go on the other side of my equation? 9. Because the sum that we get is 9. They kind of have the words that it might have been nicer to say you end up with a 9 as the answer, but the way they worded it, you're going to get 9 as your answer. So now let's try to write our equation. All right, let's take it slow and easy. When the opposite of a number, how will I write the opposite of a number? The problem starts off and says when the opposite of a number. How will I write that? How will I write that? Help him out. Star. Exactly. When the opposite of a number, we write the opposite of a number as star. Is added to. How do I translate is added to into symbols or numerals? An addition sign, exactly. When the opposite of a number is added to twice the number. How would I write twice the number? Twice the number. Not just 2, because that would be when the opposite of a number is added to 2. I want when the opposite of a number is added to twice the number. 2x, exactly. Yes, perfect. So the opposite of a number is added to twice a number, then a sum, that's the answer to an addition problem, so equals, and what does it equal? 9. There's our equation. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is set this up you're going to set it up on your scale. So, first I'm going to look at the equation and I'm going to put a star, and then I'm going to put two x's on the same side of the balance scale, and on the other side I'm going to put a 9 cube. Does anyone see a legal move? Does anyone see a legal move? Yes?
Take a star and then X off one side.
Exactly. It's the new legal move we learned. It's the only one that works on just one side of the equation. Because x and star together equals 0, we're really taking nothing off. And now we can see that x equals what? Excellent. X equals 9. Exactly. So, at the top we have x, and we have the solution for x would be 9, and the solution for star would be -9.